Hi! Welcome to my channel. This episode, we will learn how to cook Chap Chye, a mixed vegetable stew. It is suitable for vegetarian and very easy to prepare. Here is the list of ingredients. Do soak well the dry ingredients such as fungus, mushroom, bean curd sticks, lily buds and glass noodle with hot boiling water until they are soft. Cut the soaked black fungus or wood ear mushroom into smaller bite-sized pieces. Cut and wash the Napa cabbage, drain well. Mince 4 cloves of garlic and set aside. Prepare 5 thin slices of ginger. Then, mash 50 grams of fermented red bean curd. Next, prepare the sauce. We shall need a 2/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Let's start by stir-frying the garlic and ginger with 1 tablespoon of oil until they are fragrant. Next, add in the mashed fermented red bean curd. Stir well.
Add the pre-cut Napa cabbage. Next, add in the soaked and drained lily buds, mushroom, black fungus, and bean curd stick. Add in the sauce mixture. Bring to a boil and cover with a lid. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. If the water runs dry, top up with hot water. When the vegetables are cooked and sauce is reduced, add in the glass noodle. Stir well to let it absorb the sauce and serve with rice.